In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI for academic research. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get clear, reliable answers to your research questions with minimal effort. First, open your Perplexity account. If you already have one, simply sign in and you're good to go. If you're new, head to the Perplexity website and create an account so your searches and settings are saved. Having an account also helps you return to your results later without losing track of what you've done. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the top of the page. This is where you'll tell Perplexity exactly what you want to learn. The key here is to be specific and academic in your wording so you get focused results. Instead of a vague phrase, write a clear, research-style prompt that includes the main topic and any context that matters, like a population, a time frame, or a setting. For example, I'll type, "What are the effects of AI on students and our generation nowadays?" This phrasing is direct and invites an evidence-based overview. You can also strengthen a query like this by clarifying what kind of effects you care about, such as learning outcomes, study habits, ethics, or mental health, or by narrowing the scope to a particular age group or region. Keeping it specific helps Perplexity understand the angle you're taking. After you enter your topic, press enter and wait patiently while it generates an answer. Behind the scenes, Perplexity is gathering information, synthesizing it, and preparing a clear summary. Give it a moment to work. This brief pause usually leads to a more thoughtful response. When the results appear, you'll typically see a concise explanation supported by references. Read through the overview slowly and notice any definitions, distinctions, or key themes it highlights. If the answer mentions sources, that's useful context for academic work, helping you understand where the information comes from. Keep your original research question in mind as you review the response to make sure it aligns with what you set out to learn. If the phrasing of your topic feels too broad or too narrow after you see the output, you can adjust the wording and search again. Small refinements, like adding a time frame or specifying a subgroup of students, often lead to more precise insights while staying true to your original question. That's all there is to it. Open your Perplexity account, enter your specific research topic in the search bar, and wait patiently for it to generate a clear, useful answer you can build on.